Are you having difficulty deciding on whether to become a freelancer? Do you not know where and how to begin? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding freelancing, identifying your skills, and more. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of freelancing in 2025 and why it's more significant than ever. As traditional job structures continue to evolve, freelancing is emerging as a powerful alternative for many professionals. We'll explore the latest trends shaping the freelance landscape, from the rise of remote work to the impact of technology on job opportunities. You'll learn about the skills that are in high demand and how to position yourself for success in this dynamic environment. With the gig economy booming, understanding freelancing is crucial for anyone looking to navigate today's job market. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just curious about the possibilities, this video will provide valuable insights to help you thrive in 2025 and beyond. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of freelancing together. Understanding freelancing. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project basis, rather than committing to a single employer. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers have the freedom to choose their clients, set their own schedules, and work from virtually anywhere. This flexibility allows for a better work-life balance, enabling freelancers to pursue personal interests alongside their professional commitments. Additionally, freelancing opens the door to a diverse range of projects across various industries, which can keep work exciting and fulfilling. One of the most appealing aspects of freelancing is the potential for higher earnings. Skilled freelancers often command competitive rates, allowing them to increase their income based on the value they provide. Overall, freelancing offers a unique opportunity for individuals seeking autonomy and variety in their careers. Identifying your skills. To successfully embark on your freelancing journey, the first step is to assess your skills. Start by engaging in self-reflection to identify your personal strengths and areas of expertise. Consider what tasks you enjoy and excel at, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Further evaluate your skills, utilize online quizzes or platforms that offer skill assessments. These can provide valuable insights into your capabilities. Additionally, seeking feedback from peers or mentors can help you gain perspective on your strengths. Once you have a clear understanding of your skills, it's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your expertise. Specializing in a specific area not only sets you apart from the competition, but also allows you to target clients who are looking for your unique talents. This focused approach can lead to greater success in the freelancing world. Building your portfolio. Creating an impressive freelance portfolio is essential for attracting clients and showcasing your skills. Start by selecting relevant work samples that highlight your best projects and demonstrate your expertise in your chosen niche. Aim for quality over quantity. A few standout pieces can be more impactful than a large collection of mediocre work. Next, establish a professional online presence by building a user-friendly website or utilizing platforms like Behance or LinkedIn. Your portfolio should be visually appealing and easy to navigate, allowing potential clients to quickly assess your capabilities. Additionally, consider including testimonials from previous clients and case studies that detail your process and results. These elements not only add credibility, but also provide insight into how you approach projects. By combining strong work samples with a polished online presence and client feedback, you'll create a compelling portfolio that stands out in the competitive freelance market. Finding freelance opportunities. Locating freelance jobs can be a rewarding yet challenging endeavor, but there are effective strategies to help you succeed. Start by exploring popular freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can create profiles and bid on projects that match your skills. These platforms offer a wide range of job opportunities across various industries, making it easier to find work that suits your expertise. In addition to online platforms, networking is crucial for connecting with potential clients. Attend industry events, join local meetups, or participate in online forums to build relationships and expand your professional circle. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram can be valuable tools for showcasing your work and attracting clients. By combining these strategies, you'll increase your chances of finding exciting freelance opportunities that align with your career goals. Setting your rates. Determining your freelance rates is a crucial step in establishing a successful career. Several factors influence pricing, including your level of experience, the demand for your services, and the complexity of the projects you undertake. As a starting point, conduct thorough research on industry standards for various services to understand what others in your niche are charging. This will help you set competitive yet fair rates. Additionally, consider your unique skills and the value you bring to clients when establishing your pricing. Once you have a clear understanding of your rates, it's essential to communicate them confidently to potential clients. Be prepared to explain the rationale behind your pricing, emphasizing the quality and expertise you offer. By approaching rate discussions with confidence and clarity, you'll not only establish your worth but also foster trust with your clients. Managing your time. Effective time management is essential for freelancers to maximize productivity and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Start by utilizing tools like Trello or Asana for project management, which can help you organize tasks and deadlines efficiently. Additionally, consider using time tracking apps like Toggle or Clockify to monitor how much time you spend on various projects, allowing you to identify areas for improvement. Setting clear boundaries and schedules is crucial. Designate specific work hours and stick to them to avoid burnout. Communicate these boundaries to clients to ensure they respect your time. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular breaks. Taking short breaks throughout your workday can help recharge your mind, boost creativity, and enhance overall productivity. By implementing these strategies, you'll create a more structured and efficient work environment that supports your freelance success. Building client relationships. Establishing and maintaining strong client relationships is vital for a successful freelance career. Clear communication is the foundation of any good partnership. Ensure that you set expectations from the outset regarding project timelines, deliverables, and payment terms. Regular updates throughout the project can help keep clients informed and engaged. Additionally, focus on delivering exceptional customer service by being responsive, attentive, and proactive in addressing any concerns. Going the extra mile can leave a lasting impression and encourage repeat business. After completing a project, don't hesitate to follow up with clients to gather feedback on your work and their overall experience. This not only shows that you value their opinion, but also helps you improve your services. By fostering open communication and seeking feedback, you can build long-term partnerships that benefit both you and your clients, leading to more opportunities in the future. In conclusion, we've explored the essential steps to becoming a successful freelancer. We discussed the importance of identifying your skills and building a strong portfolio to showcase your expertise. We also highlighted strategies for finding freelance opportunities, setting competitive rates, and managing your time effectively. Building strong client relationships through clear communication and exceptional service is crucial for long-term success. Now that you have the tools and insights needed, it's time to take action and embark on your freelancing journey. Remember, every great freelancer started somewhere, and with determination and the right approach, you can thrive in this dynamic field. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this content. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to help you succeed in your freelancing career. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care